So hello everyone. So in this video we are going to see the introduction about ratio and proportion. So what is ratio? It's a comparison or simplified form of two quantities of the same kind is referred to as ratio. The sign we used is to. A ratio A is to B can be written as a fraction, say A by B, or can be represented by using 2 as A to B, where A is antecedent and B is called consequent. So in the given picture, so there are 5 red and 10 blue. So the actual value is 5 is to 10, but the simplified form, we call it as ratio. So the ratio is 1 is to 2. Next, we see the properties of ratio. The two numbers in the ratio can only be compared when they have the same unit. For example, we can compare your weight with your friend weight, your height with your friend height, but you cannot compare your weight with your friend height. So it should be of same unit. Second property is if both antecedent and consequent are multiplied or divided by the same number, the ratio remains unchanged. Next, if A is to B is a ratio, then A square is to B square is a duplicate ratio. Square root of A is to square root of B is sub duplicate ratio. A cube is to B cube is triplicate ratio. Next, what is proportion? When two ratios are equal in value, then they are said to be proportion. In simple words, comparing two ratios, we call it as proportion. The symbol for proportion is double is to or equal to. So two ratios A is to B and C is to D. You take then B and C, we call it as mean term or means, whereas A and D are known as extremes or extreme terms. So in the given picture, you can see one yellow color and total is 3 marbles are there. If you take the picture on the right side, there are 2 yellow color, whereas 6 total marbles are there. So this is, we call it as proportion. So let us take one example. So length of the head to body of dog 1 is given and dog 2 is also given. Whereas dog 1 it is 10 is to 20, dog 2 it is 15 is to 30. So proportion can be written as 10 by 20 equal to 15 by 30 or 10 is to 20 proportion to 15 is to 30. When you simplify, 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So where you can see the extremes, which is 1 and 2, whereas mean terms which is in the center. So next we move for properties of proportion. So first property is fourth proportional. If A is to B is equal to C is to D, then D is called fourth proportional to A, B, C. Next, third proportional. If A is to B proportional to C, B is to C, then C is third proportional of A and B. So next is mean proportional. If A is to B proportional to B is to C, then B is mean proportional. So B square is equal to AC, B is equal to square root of AC. So next is if A is to B equal to C is to D, then the product of extremes equal to product of means. That is A into D, which is equal to B into C. So the next one is if you take two ratios A by B and C by D are equal, then inverted A by B is equal to C by D, which is equal to B by A is equal to D by C. Alternate A by B is equal to C by D. So A by C is equal to B by D. Component no A by B is equal to C by D. I'm adding B. So A plus B by B is equal to C plus D by D. Divided no A by B is equal to C by D. So A minus B by B is equal to C minus D by D. So that's all about the properties of proportion. So thank you.